plus 1. It is your answer. Multiplication tricks number 2. We should multiply 8 twos are. Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your friend Arya Sachin. Today I am going to tell you about multiplication tricks number 2. First we should see that there is a 2-digit number at both sides. Then tens place number should be same. Then we should multiply 8 twos are 16 and 7 sevens are 7 plus 1 equals 8. So 7 eights are equals 56. First you should see that there is 2-digit number at both sides. Then we should see that there is in tens place same digit numbers. Then we should multiply ones place number. 6 fours are 24. Then 5 fives are, add 1 to it. It becomes 6. So it is 5 6 are 30. So it is your answer. First you should see the tens place number should be same. Then you should multiply these ones place numbers. 5 threes are 15. Then 6 sixes are, it's plus 1 to it becomes 7. So 6 sevens are equals 42. So this is your answer. Similarly, try this number with me. Come. This tens place number should be same. Then we should multiply these ones place numbers. 8 fives are 40 and 9 nines are, it's 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 tens are equals 90. So this is our answer. Did you like my tricks? Try drawing other digits like this. Thank you. If you like my video, like, subscribe and comment on my video.